The Stevenson rocket screenplay of the 19th century and the indigenous red tea towel joke. Mose had been playing up on us a lot lately. Madame said that we might like to soften his manner. We knew the horses could be gelded and take the frill out of the Stallion's prance to make it more manageable. So we decided to give old Mose a gelding. It was by chance that we found an apothecary to the cross of St. John who was pleased to do the task. They are much softer people when they are gelded. The boy, quite the wild boy of Avignon he was, it was decided that the apothecary would remove the testes to make him more manageable. There were also a number of girls, pickaninnies, who were causing a lot of trouble and distracting the man. They were to be taken out by the elders for the ritual of pink eyes. They were to be circumcised to soften their manner for their purpose in life. They are the vessel, of course. That is their purpose. After the castration, Madame gave Mose a little umbrella to keep him shaded and a red cloth to cover the wound of the soupy mess. As the camp bell rang in the distance, supper, it concealed the genitals, their removal from the flesh of the sinews of his body. 'Tis a lesson we must all learn. Queen Victoria said, "Let them eat cake." The Pied Piper said there were no more rats in Hamelin then. Sir William Dampier, ethnographer to Queen Victoria.